Greetings, ASES National Tour participants. It is Wednesday, it is Lake Wales, and Hurricane Ian made landfall near Fort Myers, Florida, less than an hour ago. Our current wind speed is 25 miles per hour. We are producing, as you can see, power. We are still grid connected and are actually exporting power to the local grid in support of our neighbors. Our systems are not only producing power from wind, but the solar, which you can just see barely above the building, is also producing power being exported to the grid. For safety reasons, we won't be climbing on the roof today to show you solar producing power in sunlight. But we did want you to take another look inside at our nice dry power station. Again, the wind turbine producing 15 kilowatts. Solar generator is not needed because we have battery backup, which at the moment we also do not require because our grid is still connected. It is anticipated in our area that wind speeds will get up to as much as 100 miles per hour. And while we have already had 6.5 inches of rain based on our on-site weather station, which you may be able to see on the tower, our weather station indicates we have had 6.5 inches of rain. We are anticipating as much as another 18 inches of rain for a total of 24. Our aquaponics systems are very happy for the refresh of fresh water, which we reclaim completely from most of our rooftop systems. So we will do another update as weather permits, hopefully showing you the wind turbine operating at maximum speed of 75 miles per hour later today.